Hello everybody, and in this video session I am going to solve and show you some sample questions of a TCS exam. Now see, these questions are sample questions and basically they are closed tests. Here I will solve these questions and let you know that how and what the right approach can be, how you relate sentences, how to get an idea of the given statements or passage. So the question says, in the passage given below, some of the words are missing. You have to choose the right option for each of the missing word and have to place at this fill up, okay? And see, before just directly going to options and directly going to filling the blanks, it is advisable that you just go for a quick reading. Now here one more thing you have to take care about is that you have to take care how much time you are spending on one question, because you cannot spend more time because you have to attempt rest of the questions also. So don't stuck on one single question, but try to connect as much as you can so that you can get the answer. Now here you see this paragraph. Here the paragraph says, in recent years there has been a lot of talk about cloud computing and cloud storage. Now from this statement only, I can take this idea that this paragraph is all about cloud computing and cloud storage. Okay then, almost everything in the digital world dash connected to cloud in some way or other, unless it is kept in local storage for security reasons. Now reading this much only, it is very common to understand that this paragraph is all about cloud computing and cloud storage, right? Basically what I am trying to do is, see, by reading a bit of paragraph, means a few lines from the paragraph, can help you getting the idea about the thing being about the topic that is being discussed in the paragraph. So now see what we have to fill here. Almost everything in the digital world dash connected to the cloud, and the options says are, is and was. Now see, everything here I am considering as a single entity, right? Single entity. So basically I will use a verb, a helping verb, which is singular, that is. Now was is also a singular helping verb, but I am not using it because I am not talking about past. Okay, so I will go with word is, option B here. Almost everything in the digital world is connected to the cloud in some way or other. So here is the rest of the paragraph, and it says, as tech giants and startups dash new ways to organize, process and present data, cloud computing. Now I will first go with this filling the blanks, and the options here are founded, find and found. As tech giants and startups found, okay, we'll go with this. Why I have used found here? See, this is second form of word find, so this will not go with this. And because find can also we cannot use, so we'll go with the found. As tech giants and startups found new ways to organize and process and present data, cloud computing dash become a more and more integral part of our lives. And the words are shall, will and would. Okay, see, if tech giants are finding more methods, cloud computing will become a more and more integral part of our lives in coming time, right? So I will go with the will. Now what is the approach? See, without looking at the options also, sometime you can get the answer if you are able to complete your sentence by your own according to the given statement. Okay, so what is cloud computing and what is the impact of cloud computing on future business strategies? Cloud computing is the dash of using a network of remote servers. For the fourth one, we are having options as practicing, practice, and practices. Now you see, cloud computing is the dash. Word practicing is in continuous form, and see, we are not talking about a continuous process here, right? Cloud computing is the dash. See, I will go with the word practice. It's a process, right? It is not in continuous form, and it is also is not a plural, so practices also will not go. So the word practice will be appropriate. Cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers dash on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or personal computer. For the fifth one, we are having options as hosted, hosting, and host. Now see, cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers dash on the internet to store. I will go with word hosted because this is not like a present thing, but it is being hosted from the past only. So using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or personal computer. So this is it for this passage. I hope you are now more confident that how you should attempt a paragraph and such questions. See, now one thing which I will advise you is to read more and more. The more you read, the more you will get answers, the more you will feel it easy to get connected, to the paragraph. You will understand that what is being discussed in the paragraph. So this is a must thing you should do. And all the best for your exam, and thank you for watching this video.